Well, I saw your question on the discussion board. Research has shown that approximately 1 in 800 women carry a mutation of a particular gene. So I'm letting that be A here. The probability to have the mutated gene will be 1 over 800. About 46% of the women with this mutation develop skin cancer. Find the probability a random selected woman will carry mutation of this gene and develop the skin cancer. So I guess here's they carry the gene, and here's the skin cancer. So A's they carry the mutated gene, and B is they get skin cancer. So we want to calculate probability A and B. Well, our formula is that probability A times probability B given that they have A. So the probability of A, 1 out of 800 women carry the mutation, and then probability B given A, 46% of these that had a mutated gene will get skin cancer. So I punch that into the calculator and get 0.000575. You do have to round it to the fourth decimal, so that'd be 0.0006. Hope this helps.